Hello, it's George. We're with Queeny and Victors puppies. They are getting real fun and real rough. They're messing with Dad. Yeah. Come what may. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, they're really sweet, these guys. What are you doing? One of these females is actually available. Had a little change of plans with one of the customers. And I don't know which one, but one of them. And so, if you're so inclined there, let me know. But that's not why I'm making this video. It's just a little update of the litter here. Yo, what are you doing? Jib, what are you doing, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Oh, yeah. One puppy's teeth are sharper than the others. They totally can't hurt you, but they're fun, boy. Very uniform. I'm sure you see the coloration. Most of their ears are up. Really cute little litter here. So they'll be ready in 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks. They'll be ready to go. So had to bring an update. I come in here just to change their little bedding and spend a minute or two with them. Thought I'd catch this video of the cuteness. The cuteness and the funness and the curiosity. Yeah. But mostly the cuteness. Look at this one here. Yeah, we're looking at you. And what are you doing? You too. We got this little toy here too. Let's set that up. That's a big attraction here for the puppies. Well, it's about at the end of the week here, and I'm about ready to end the week myself. So we'll see you next week. Tomorrow's the Lord's Day. I'll be in church. Until next time, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. Thank you for subscribing, and sharing, liking, all that stuff. Any questions or comments, just let me know. And as always, above all, the Lord bless you as you trust Him. And until next week, or next time in YouTube land here, we'll see you. And you take care.